Description: enjoy smooth, shiny hair with the CrazySmooth Anti-Frizz Conditioner. This cruelty-free, men and women's hair conditioner is 2 times more concentrated than leading professional brands, and strengthens while restoring luster. Benefits: our smoothing hair conditioner instantly defrizzes and detangles, while providing color and heat protection. Suggested use: apply anti-frizz conditioner to clean, wet hair. Leave on for 1 minute. Rinse for amazing softness and shine. Top reviews from the United States. ColorProof is great product. I have been using ColorProof for years for my colored tresses. I do not know why more salons don't feature it. The smoothing shampoo beats everything else out there.